Ever wondered what happens when a legendary game master steps down? And imagine the chaos, the excitement, and the sheer unpredictability that follows well, buckle up because Critical Role is about to take you on a wild ride with their upcoming campaign for Species. Uh, Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. Um, your support keeps the dice rolling and the adventures flowing. Uh, in the heart of the Critical Role universe, a shift is happening. Matt Mercer, a beloved Game Master who has guided us through countless battles and epic quests, is taking a step back. But fear not, for a new Master of Worlds and Weaver of Tales is stepping into the spotlight. And Brennan Lee Mulligan, the creative powerhouse behind Dimension 20 and Worlds Beyond Number, is taking the reins. Get ready for a journey filled with depth, humor, and high stakes drama. Travis Willingham, the CEO and co-founder of Critical Role, had this to say about the new Game Master. We've been enormous fans of Brennan's for many years now, and when it came to giving both Matthew Mercer and the world of Exandria a bit of a breather, Brennan felt like the perfect storyteller to take our community somewhere entirely new. Brennan Lee Mulligan is no stranger to the Critical Role world. And he has already proven his mettle as the game master in Exandria Unlimited Calamity, Critical Role Downfall, and Exandria Unlimited Divergence. His passion for world building and storytelling is infectious, and it's going to be an absolute joy to see where he takes us next. But what about Matt Mercer? Will he be a part of Campaign 4? Well, it seems like Mercer might need a bit of a break. But who knows? Maybe he'll join in on the game as a player. Imagine the fun of seeing Mercer roll the dice as a character instead of the game master. Fans would love that, and it would be a refreshing change of pace. Campaign 4 of Critical Role is set to release on October 2nd. It will premiere with instant access on beacon.tv, as well as streamed to Critical Role's YouTube and Twitch channels. The VOD will be available for everyone the following Monday, and podcast episodes will be released in 2 parts. Beacon members will also get exclusive access to all episodes of Critical Role Cooldown, where the cameras keep rolling and you get a front row seat to the cast post-show reactions. As for what Campaign 4 will entail, details are scarce. But one thing is for sure, it will be an all-new chapter in the world of Critical Role. Mercer Ray, the creative director and co-founder of Critical Role, shared, "We're not just turning a page, we're starting a whole new book." Everything about Campaign 4 is fresh. New world, new tone, new possibilities. We can't wait for the fans to experience what we've been building. These are so are you ready to roll with the new boss? Get your dice ready, because Brennan Lee Mulligan is about to take us on an adventure we'll never forget. And remember, if you ever need a break from all the excitement, just imagine Matt Mercer trying to roll a natural 20 while playing a bard. Um, no, that's a sight to see. With that said, thanks for watching, and till next time, we'll see you then.